Hello everyone, welcome to Crypto Mobile Mining and Trading. I am Dixon, and let me give you a quick real-time update. Today we have some massive news coming directly from the Pi Network team that's going to affect millions of pioneers. So listen closely, because this could be the update you've been waiting for. The Pi Core team has just rolled out a new system process that has allowed over 3.36 million pioneers who were stuck in a tentative KYC status to finally and fully pass their KYC. This is a huge leap forward for the network. Out of these 3.36 million, a whopping 2.69 million have already migrated their Pi to the mainnet blockchain. This is not just a small step, it's a giant stride towards a fully functional and populated mainnet. So how did they do it? This wasn't just a manual review. The team deployed a highly complex system that uses advanced AI models. It meticulously analyzed huge datasets from liveness checks and all the KYC application data. The goal was twofold. First, to confirm that every single applicant is a real, living human being, and second, to ensure their application meets all the additional security checks required for a full pass. Why is this so important? Well, it's all about protecting the integrity of the Pi network. These rigorous checks are designed to filter out any cheating accounts and strictly uphold Pi's core policy of one account per person. This ensures that the network remains fair for all the honest and real pioneers like you and me who have been diligently mining. It's about building a solid foundation for the entire Web3 ecosystem that Pi is creating. Now, if you're one of the millions who have been waiting, what should you do? First, go and check your KYC status in the Pi app right now. If you've received the notification that you've fully passed, congratulations. Your next step is to complete the mainnet checklist. This is crucial for migrating your Pi balance to the mainnet. Don't delay on this. Complete the checklist so you can join the others on the blockchain. But what if you're still in that tentative KYC status? Don't worry, there's good news for you too. The update reveals that there are an additional 3 million pioneers with tentative KYC cases who can be unblocked by this very same system. However, there's something you need to do. The system requires you to submit additional liveness checks within the app. If you log in and see a prompt asking for another liveness check, please do it as soon as possible. This is your key to getting your application processed by this new system and finally achieving that full KYC pass. Completing this check makes you eligible for the process we've just discussed. Let's break down the numbers again because they are truly impressive. Over 4.76 million pioneers who were in the tentative stage were made eligible to complete their KYC. From that pool, 3.36 million have now fully passed. This is a massive clearance of the backlog and shows the team's commitment to getting everyone on board. The fact that nearly 2.7 million of them are already on mainnet shows how quickly things can move once the KYC is cleared. Here's another pro tip from the core team. Staying active on the Pi app can genuinely help speed things up. Beyond just completing the required tasks and checklists, your active mining and engagement with the app can help trigger these underlying automatic system processes. Think of it like this. Your activity signals to the system that you're a real, engaged user, which might just help prioritize your application for review and migration processing. So keep tapping that mining button daily. This entire development is a direct response to the community's needs, specifically for those pioneers stuck in KYC limbo. It's a significant step in building what Pi has always aimed for, a secure, authentic, and inclusive network composed of real individuals. This network of verified humans is the bedrock of the entire Pi Network Web3 ecosystem and all the apps and utilities that will be built upon it. So the action items for you today are clear. Check your KYC status. If you've passed, complete the mainnet checklist immediately. If you're still tentative and see a prompt for a liveness check, complete it right away. And for everyone, stay active in the app to potentially speed up the process. This is an incredibly exciting time for the Pi Network community. We are seeing real, tangible progress towards an open mainnet. Millions of users are being brought into the fold, strengthening the network day by day. What are your thoughts on this major update? Have you finally passed your KYC? Are you still waiting? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions about the process, feel free to ask. I'll do my best to answer them based on the official information. If you found this update helpful and want to stay informed on all things crypto, mobile mining, and trading, please do me a huge favor. Give this video a big thumbs up and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to smash that bell icon so you get notified instantly whenever I post a new real-time update like this one. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you the latest news. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Dixon and I'll catch you in the next video.